So today we're going to learn how to reconstitute a peptide. So you should have a large syringe and then a vial with the actual peptide. I'm calling it a peptide because this happens to be sermorelin, but it could be anything, pentadecaarginate, TB500, thymulin, anything. And then you should have a bottle of bacteriostatic water. So we open our large syringe, and you want to make sure that the needle is tight, and we're going to pop off the top off the bacteriostatic water. You're going to suck back air into the syringe. It does not matter how much air. And then you're going to inject the air into the water and pull back the liquid. Now, we're just going to look on the label to see how much water we need. For this peptide, we need 7.5 milliliters, but the instructions are specific to each peptide, so you want to just follow how much water to add on the directions. And there are markings on the syringe. There's not a 7.5 here, but it's halfway between the 7 and the 8. You want to make sure that there are, for the most part, no air bubbles, just to make sure the volume is accurate. And then you pull off the water. You're going to pop the top off your peptide vial, which contains the powder, and you're going to introduce the syringe at an angle, and because it's a vacuum, it just sucks the liquid in. And then with this syringe, you're going to throw it into a sharps container or a water bottle or an aluminum can, just to protect anyone handling the garbage. I do not recommend recapping it because it is an opportunity to prick your finger. And then with the peptide vial, you're going to just gently roll the bottle between your hands so that all of the powder is dissolved before you inject it. You do not want to shake the vial because the peptide is delicate. You just want to gently roll and maybe give it another minute or so to make sure that there is no powder in there, and there seems to not be. And then that is all done.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you so much.